Hey babes, welcome back. And today I will be installing a 4x4 closure wig by the company MIDULLA. It is a curly unit, 26 inches, and I'm excited to put this on. I'm excited for some wavy hair. It's nice outside, so let's get it. I'm gonna start, of course, I'm just going to bleach that closure. You guys know I'm heavy-handed in the back because those knots are a little bit harder. And when you work your way up to the front, be as gentle as possible. I let my bleach sit on for about 25 minutes and I put the bag over top so that makes everything speed up a little bit quicker. And then after the 25 minutes are over, I just go and rinse everything out and then add my purple shampoo. And once all the shampoo and bleach has been rinsed out, I just go ahead and begin my plucking process. I don't blow dry because this is a curly unit. It's going to be curly anyway, so ain't no need to blow drying it. So I just let it stay wet, and that honestly makes it easier for when I begin plucking. As you can see, the right side is already plucked because I already did it. And I just thought for the sake of this video, I would just film the other side. But if you guys want a more in detailed description of how I do everything, I do have a previous video where I go into detail with my bleaching and my plucking process. So I had an original recording for this already from the previous day, but I didn't like it. It was giving very much sloppy, and I wasn't about to put that out there on the internet. So I'm just re-recording everything from beginning to end. So first, I am marking my forehead with a brown, just a lip liner, nothing too serious. And this is only so when I put my glue on my head, I know how far down to go. But before I put anything down, I am gonna go in with that alcohol and rub it all across that space where I'll be putting my glue. You actually want to do this step before you put your marks down, so don't be like me. Wipe your head off first. So once everything is all clean and dry, I'm just gonna go in with my Ghost Bond glue. Again, you can get this at any local hair store. And I'm going to apply just a thin layer across my forehead. And I'm going to do this 3 times because I really like to, lock my wig in there. And I did go in and just wipe away those little lip liner marks just with some alcohol, nothing too serious. And once I am satisfied with how the glue looks, I'm just going to move my wig down and place that lace over top of where I applied the glue. And then I'm just going to go in with my rat tail comb and just press everything into the skin. And for that extra security, I'm just gonna go in with, I think it's called like Eben, I believe it says Eben hairspray. Everybody is talking about this, and I see why. My hair, it don't move, okay? So I'm just taking that spray and spraying it along the hairline and pressing it in with my finger. I know you're not supposed to press it in with your finger because your finger is dirty and it can add oil or whatever, but it works for me, so I'm gonna keep doing it. And then I'm going to take my elastic band and tie that around my head. I leave it on there for about 15 minutes. And while that band is on, I do like to go ahead and style my hair. Just, you know, any parts I want to do, any oils or whatever that I have to add. Now is the time to do it. So that's just what I do while I let my melt. So y'all know what time it is. I'm not gonna say it because y'all gonna get mad when I say it. It's time to flatten the top of that wig. So once I hot comb the top of my hair, I'm just going to take some mascara and use that to cover up any hairs or knots that got over bleached in my process. And then I'm going to go in with some concealer. I believe I'm using the Ruby Kisses in the color 11. I'm trying a different color this time, you guys. I don't know why, I just wanted to try a different color, but I'm going in with that and just a little angle brush, and I'm going to hit my middle part right there just to make it look a little bit more cleaner and a little bit more natural. Now I'm going in with my olive oil hair polisher, and I'm just going to apply that all over my hair just to give it a little bit more shine. So now, after some time has passed, I'm going to go ahead and release that elastic band, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull out baby hairs. I already have them cut because, like I said before, I recorded this a day ago and it was just sloppy and horrible. So I'm just pulling out the baby hairs that I laid down before, and I'm just going to take those out and style them. Make sure you're paying attention and never leave your hot comb next to your favorite brown lip liner because, yeah. So now I'm just taking some of that concealer I used before, that Ruby Kisses, and I'm just going to apply that to my hairline a little bit just to make it more natural. After I part my baby hairs, I like to add a little bit of concealer around the part area, and then I like to go in with some more hairspray, melt that down, and let that sit for a little bit. Once the band is off, I just take some mousse and apply that to the top of the baby hairs so we can begin to style them. And I'm just going to repeat myself because I'm not sure, it may be some new people here, but when doing your baby hairs, always use a comb, or if you have that brush comb side, always use the comb side. Comb side is going to get you your best results. Then you want to take that comb and just push it to where it's almost like a C shaped, and that's the shape that you're looking for. And this is going to take you a minute, so don't think, well, if you get it on the first try, you that girl. But it is going to take you a minute to get it, you know, exactly how you want it. And once I have my baby hair the way I want it, I'm just going to take baby scissors and just snip the bottom part of that baby hair off, just so it's not that long tail flapping in the wind. One thing I will say is baby hairs are very, very easy to mess up, so don't try to force it too much. But if you get it to where it almost looks like how you want it, I would just leave it, because trust me, it can go 0 to 100 real quick. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and just brush the ends of those baby hairs out so they're not all stuck to my full head. And then I'm gonna undo my hair, add any extra oils because I'm an extra type of girl. And this is the final look. I am so happy with this hair. It's 26 inches curly from Amazon. Oh, it said it was 180 density, but they capping. It's a little bit less than that, but nevertheless, it is an amazing wig. And in fact that it came from Amazon, okay, makes it 10 times better. So 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Y'all have to get this. It's about to be nice outside. Get some curly hair. Hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.